Hey everyone, having trouble connecting your Victorola record player to Bluetooth devices like speakers, headphones, or your phone? Don't worry, I'll show you a simple troubleshooting steps to get it paired and working properly. Let's fix it. Power off the record player and turn it back on. Disconnect all connections, speakers, power cord, and then reconnect only the power cord and try connecting to Bluetooth. Try pairing processing again. Check for and install any available firmware update for the record player. Why Victorola record player not connecting to Bluetooth, speaker, headphones, and phones? Many Victorola models only support Bluetooth input. The record player and Bluetooth device may not be pairing mode at the same time. Some setups require a separate Bluetooth transmitter to send audio to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Electrical interference or the devices being too far apart can cause connection issues. The volume may be too low or muted, making it seem like there is no connection even if pairing is successful. Fix 1. Restart the record player. Turn off your Vectorola record player, unplug it from the power outlet and wait at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches affecting the speakers. Fix 2. Confirm Bluetooth compatibility and mode. Note that many Victorola suitcase players only have Bluetooth input to play music from your phone to the player, not Bluetooth output to send audio from the player to Bluetooth speakers. Make sure your Victorola model supports Bluetooth transmission, not just Bluetooth input. Check your user manual for details. Bluetooth output is available only on selected models like Eastwood, Allington, Journey Plus, and Canvas. Power on your Victorola and switch to Bluetooth output mode. For many models, this is called vinyl stream mode, indicated by a flashing blue LED. If the LED flashes white, you are in RCA wired mode. Press the mode button until it flashes blue to enable Bluetooth. Fix 3. Try pairing process again. Make sure your Victorola record player volume is turned up, not muted or too low, so you can hear the sound after connecting. Put your Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or a phone in pairing mode. With the Victorola in Bluetooth mode flashing blue LED, it should automatically enter pairing mode. Once both devices are in pairing mode, they should connect automatically if they have been paired before. Some headphones will auto-connect as soon as they are powered on and within range. Once paired, the LED on the Victorola will turn solid blue briefly, then switch back to turn white. You should hear a chime or see a confirmation on your device. Fix 4. Check for audio latency. If you experience audio delay or a poor sound quality, try moving the device closer to reduce interference. Consider using a Bluetooth transmitter with a low latency or speakers with EQ controls to improve sound quality and reduce lag. If sound is still not clear, restart both devices and try pairing again. Fix 5. Clear out extra connection. Disconnect all output and input connections from the record player, including external speakers and the power cord. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player and test the wall socket with another device to confirm it works. Use only the original or manufacturer recommended power adapter as an incompatible adapter can prevent the platter from spinning. Turn the record player back on and immediately set it to Bluetooth mode. Try connecting your Bluetooth device again. Fix 6. Update software and firmware. Firmware update often include fixes for known bugs that cause Bluetooth connectivity problems. Update turntable. Open the Victorola Stream app and click on your turntable. Go to About Turntable and tap to check for update. If an update is available, install it and let the turntable reset for about 2 minutes. Update Sonos system. Open the Sonos app, tap the settings wheel cog in the bottom right, go to system, then scroll to system updates, tap check for update and install any available updates. Fix 7. Reset Victorola. Perform a soft reset by powering the turntable off. Press knob for 5 seconds until it flashes white twice and then powering it on again. If issue persists, perform a hard reset by holding the knob for 15 seconds until it flashes red or use the factory reset option in the Victorola app. You will need to set up the device again after this. Alternatively, in the Victorola Stream app, select factory reset under additional settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.